Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to change the playlist picture on SoundCloud. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open SoundCloud app on your device. All you have to do is just come to your library and just select your playlist. So go to Playlist and then select your playlist over here. Once you select your playlist, you can see the current profile picture. If you want to edit it, just tap on the three dots, go to the option called Edit. Now you can see the profile picture. To change it, just tap on it. You can choose to take a photo, or you can choose the one from your library. I'll just select Choose from Library, and then select a specific playlist picture over here. Once I select a picture, I can also crop it to my own need. Then once I've done that, just tap on Save from the top right, and your playlist picture will be successfully changed, as you can see. And that's all. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.